Today I'm going to be making banana foster caramels. It's going to be a little something different from like the classic banana foster. Instead of like the sauce, I'm doing caramels. So right here I have a little alcohol here. It's mixed with dark rum and banana liqueur. And I'm now going to add it to the pot. So there you go. Hopefully this is hot enough still so I can ignite it. Starting to cool. So I've already added the alcohol to this, so I will not be igniting it. So it goes. How's it not catching? I guess it's cold too much from being outside. That's why it's not igniting.
I think I hear a sizzling.
No, but it's not hot enough anymore.
If it doesn't work, that means that the alcohol evaporates already.
Or that it doesn't work outdoors.
No.
Unfortunately, we couldn't get it to Flambé today. Sorry guys, I just thought we'd have some really cool foods to go with these caramels. Oh well. So anyways, I'm gonna just put this in the pan for now. And maybe in about a day or so, the caramels will have set and we'll be ready to cut them. Let's hope they're not too soft this time.